Well guys, I had my PS3 broken. I don't know what happened, but it has less than a year and it's still covered by the warranty, but as I live in Brazil, the warranty doesn't cover in here. In fact, just in North America and Canada. So I bought from eBay the Blu-ray drive that I suppose that this is the problem that I have, because the PS3 in fact works as well for internet, and there's images showing the screen. I think it's just the Blu-ray drive the problem. So I just accessed some videos in YouTube. It's amazing. And for disassembling the PS3, and first of all I have to disconnect this face plate and unscrewing and unsealing this piece of plastic. I think so. So for the first time I'm doing that. I hope I get good. Let's see what happens. Okay, so there is a decal here that I'm taking off. Yes, just like that. And now the warranty is void because the seal is damaged. I'm not covered anymore. And there is a piece of plastic that covers. I don't know if it is. There is a screw inside and a specific type of screw that I hope I can get it off with this screwdriver, but I don't think I'll be able to. So that's no good at all. Let me see if I have the right test tool for that. Oh, piece of shit. I don't think I have the right tools. Screwdriver. So I think I'll have to buy some tools tomorrow morning, because now it's almost 1 AM and I'll have to go to sleep. Sorry guys.